Welcome to the Google screen where you can search for pages on the internet. You can type text in the box in the middle of the screen and the browser will reload with a series of results showing pages that contain those keywords. Within this example, we'll try searching virtual college. As you type, the results appear on the screen. The results at the top of the screen in yellow have been paid, whereas the results in white are from the millions of pages that exist on the internet. Within this example, we'll choose virtualcollege.ac.uk, as the ac.uk domain is usually associated with academic websites. Once you've accessed the site, feel free to have a look around, otherwise click back and try a different site.